101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special discussion with English communities. I mean, of course. And yeah, in 101.1 Smart FM, of course, we are already here with English communities, and now I'm not alone. I have friends from a few communities. Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
You're great. How do you feel right now? Oh my God. What about you?
Excited.
You're so excited?
I'm not good in health situation, but alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, anyway, before I spiel and explain about our topic for this evenings, of course, first of all, we have to recognize and, of course, introduce themselves each other one by one. Okay, maybe you brother. Okay, anyway, I want to ask you, what is your name? Where are you from? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Right. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Naufal Mufli, but you can call me Noval or Nopal or something like that.
Okay, Naufal.
Whatever,
Okay.
yeah. And I come from Goa, precisely in Sungguh Minasa.
Okay.
And I'm a representative from Equinsa.
What stand for Equinsa?
Equinsa, actually, at first it's a abbreviation. English Community of UIN Sultan Alauddin. But
okay.
by time passed by and there's a lot of member come join with us. We discuss about the name of Equinsa itself, and it becomes just Equinsa.
Okay.
To make it more become more regular.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about your schedule? What about your schedule?
The schedule
your meeting club. I mean,
in Equinsa. Yeah, it's scheduled every weekend.
Every
weekend.
Every weekend.
Actually,
You mean Sunday or
actually
Saturday?
in Sunday. Sunday afternoon at 4 p.m.
Okay.
At
The
UIN.
location UIN.
Located at UIN.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Samata.
Thank you, Novel. Next, could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners?
Okay. Okay, smart listeners. My name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian. I representative from BPC.
Okay.
BPC is located in Benteng Rotterdam.
Yeah.
And we have we start at
Weekly meeting.
Yeah, we start we start at 10 p.m. until 2 a.m.
4 hours, right?
Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Brian. Okay, what about you, sister? Can you open your mask, please? Be better. No, it's okay. It's okay. You just open your mask, please. Okay, could you introduce yourself? What is your name? Where are you from? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay, so I'm from Max Almarkas, and my name is Rara Aryani.
Hi, Rara.
Yeah, I'm from Palopo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, yeah, and I'm representative from Max Almarkas. And we conduct discussion every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. at Almarkas first floor.
Oh, 4 p.m. The schedule, max 3 times.
Yeah, a week.
In a week.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Rara. Okay, next.
Okay, hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, let me introduce you myself. My name is Atifa Mulda Yusuf, and maybe you may simply call me Atifa. And I'm from Goa.
Yeah.
And currently,
same with Novel, right?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, me too. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm delegation from Ambrose. Ambrose is American, British, Australian English education.
Wow. So you may you have
Study
Australia.
together about that straight.
What about the
straight.
schedule?
The schedule
Mhm.
every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m.
Twice
Twice
in a week?
in week.
The location?
The location at Institut Parahikmah Indonesia at Pacinongan Goa.
Pacinongan.
Yes.
Okay, I see. I know that place.
Oh yeah.
Okay, back.
You may come to our campus.
Let's see. Thank you. Anyhow,
thank you.
Okay. Okay, could you introduce yourself, please?
Okay.
To smart viewers, listeners at home.
So my name is Amira, guys. Maybe you guys already see me before. So I am the representative from BPEC, Benteng Panyua English Club Makassar. Sorry,
Okay, come
that's
on.
my mistake. So yeah, seems like I'm the youngest one here.
Uh-huh.
I am the student from UIN Alauddin, and I am majoring English literature right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Amira.
Amira.
Amira. Yeah.
Amira.
Yeah.
We have to say it in English, yeah.
Yes,
Amira.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Amira. Okay. Okay, that's our conversation about representative each other from each communities. They come from Quinsa, BPEC, Bax, and Ambriaus. Oh my god, Ambriaus. Okay. As I mentioned just now, we have a special topic, and our topic, before I mention our topic today, well, when we talk about our discussion, our topic this evening is a very, very special and out of the box. Why? Because we will talking about animal. Wow, are you interested? Yeah. In our planet, especially on Earth, we have many organisms exist on Earth, and one of them are animal beside, and of course exist beside human being, but they live beside us in somewhere. So our topic for this evening is talking about wild animal life. Give it a applause for us first. Are you ready, guys? Yes. Okay, let's start for the first question, guys, my viewers and listeners at home. My first question is, what do you think about our topic for this evening? What is your reaction when you guys hear this topic? Yeah? Okay, maybe you from Equinsa, please. What is your reaction for the first time?
Okay. Wow, this is the nice question.
Uh-huh.
What my reaction?
Yeah.
Of course, when I hear the topic about wild animal life, I feel shocked first.
Why?
This is out of the box, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because we are Gen Z.
Uh-huh.
We say Gen Z because ya Allah, we study about maybe education, how the university, our university, but now we talk about animal life.
Yeah, you have to explore the forest.
Yes. What is animal? What is the opportunity when we talk about animal life? What is why is
And after
animal?
that, what is your action? After you put your reaction, what is your action?
My action is I must know about why what is the wild animal life, and I know what one by one about animal life.
Where do you ask?
Yeah, of course, Google. Google. The jejaring of Google.
So when you open the Google, what happened after that?
Exactly, Google open right is YouTube exactly.
Okay.
So when I search about wild animal life, exactly. There are explanation about who are they animal.
Who are they?
It's been like wow, it is so shocking. And maybe this is shocking topic. Yeah, but we try.
Okay, thank you. Who is your nickname? Sorry, I forgot.
Atifa.
Atifa. Okay, thank you, Atifa. Naufal. Okay, yeah. So, what is your reaction when you first hear this topic?
Alright, so talking about animal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I feel very excited because
really?
because to be honest, when I was a kid, I used to have a pet actually. I kept two types of fish.
Two types of fish?
Yeah, fish.
What kind?
Koi fish and also patin fish.
Patin.
Yeah, it seems like catfish, but it's different. Yeah. I have the albino one.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
that's
It's
Yeah.
how to say, expensive, right? The albino expensive.
yeah, but not too expensive
You
because
are the rich
I
one.
because because I buy when she was a baby.
Like that.
No, no.
Okay, so what is your action after your reaction about this topic? What is your action?
Yeah, I think we must go on and
Mhm.
talk about this wild animal life.
So what do you ask? In your grandmother or grandfather?
No,
Or
I ask Google.
so, so what happened after that when you
YouTube,
Googling?
watch YouTube,
Mhm.
and I also love to watch National Geographic Channel when I was a kid. Yeah,
Yeah, right.
because we realized that almost kids love to watch curious about wild animals. They curious about the appearance of the animals, like their face, the body shape of the animals itself. Like
They're heavy.
yeah, we know the zebra with his cross, giraffe with his long neck, and
Yeah.
elephant with his big ears.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Keep your statement,
Yeah.
Nova. Okay, thank you. What about you, Amira? What is your reaction when you first time hear this topic?
Actually, it is so interesting because I love to rescue a wild animal. I love to rescue a cat.
Wow.
I actually don't want to call myself as a rescuer, but I love to take them home and then I feed them, and I sometimes give them some medicine if they have something that's struggling with them. So yeah, I have tons of cats in my home, and now I'm moving out because I have to go to study, and I'll bring my 2 cats with me right now, and I still rescue them.
So you are excited when you first time hear this topic.
Totally excited.
Oh wow. Okay, thank
Yeah.
you, Amira. Okay, what about you, Rara? Rara.
Yeah, Rara. You can call me
Okay,
that.
what is your reaction when you first time hear this topic?
Well, when I first told that the topic is about animal, actually, in Max we discuss a lot of topics, but
Yeah.
was really
You
my first
never
time.
found like this,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It's like
I see.
animals. Like wow, I think it's interesting topic, but at the same time, I like search in Google because I don't.
I see the color
Yeah.
of Max, the color of Hack. I know the color of BPC,
Yeah.
but you don't know the color of this radio. Right?
Yeah, that's right. I mean,
We are
how
out
it's
of the
work.
boxes.
Yeah, how
guys.
does work actually in here? I'm actually wondering. Yeah.
So you are excited.
Yeah.
So what is your action when you, put your reaction?
Same with them. I'm search Google, of course. I don't really know about animal,
Okay.
especially wild animal life.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Rara. Okay, I move to the second question, Nova. Yeah, you. Okay, now you can mention what they are. what do you know? What do you know about Animal Planet? What the kind, the example? Yeah.
Yeah, I love to watch National Geographic Channel.
National.
Yeah, that I mentioned
That's
before.
that's how to say good search for watching about wild animal. National Geographic. Yeah, beside Discovery Channel, Wild Animal Planet, and etc. Okay, continue.
So yeah, I love to watch the channel, and especially when it turns to show us all the animals, how they survive.
Yeah.
How they survive to last his life, and we
His
can
or
see
her?
okay, so I love to watch the antelope, kinds of deer. I know from the channel, National Geographic Channel, that the antelope is
How do you feel when you watch the TV, the carnivore catch and eat the herbivore?
I think that is so blow the mind of the animal. I saw
How
the,
pity, right?
Yeah,
How
yes.
pity.
I think when the antelope was welcome to his new life, was born, and also he born to run. The antelope.
Yeah, not like human.
No.
We have to say.
The antelope has very good speed
Mm.
in the field.
Mhm.
Yeah, and we see the antelope run from the predator, like
The predator,
lion,
yeah.
leopard,
Uh-huh.
and also the other animals that carnivores.
hyena.
Yeah, hyena was it's very. I think that's is very.
They are smart,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Hyena.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, thank you. No, but it's good. It's nice. Okay, Amira, how do you think about the animal life, especially for wild animal in the forest?
They're actually so unique because you have to live, either you will be eaten or you have to eat them.
Mhm.
And I do love cats, especially like big or small cats.
Mhm.
Just like my brother here said that the antelope
Mhm.
that will be eaten by the predator, like the leopard and etc. And I like them because sometimes when they show their scary
Mhm.
feature,
Mhm.
but they still have this cuteness
Mm.
beside that. So that is what I
Like
love from the
snake.
cats. Yeah,
Like snake.
they actually, you can actually see the meme or the videos. They are acting cute or something. Their smile. So that is what I like from wild animals. Like
Have you touched them like crocodile or leopard or snake?
I ever saw one, but I don't
Touch.
really have the like touch them. I just afraid being eaten by the crocodile because they have a long mouth. They could actually reach my hand, so I don't really want to touch them.
So how do you feel when you watch on TV and the predator catch and eat them? How do you feel?
I don't really know how to react to that one, but they actually have the strategy to come to their or get their how to say mangsa though. I do forget about that one, and they actually have the strategy to get them. So they don't really just run and eat them, but they have to sneaky or something to reach them out. So yeah, I mean that is interesting.
So you mean this is a normal because
thing.
maybe like a rantai makanan,
Yeah,
something like that, right?
yes, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Amira.
Yeah.
Okay, Rara.
Okay, Rara.
Okay, how do you feel when you see the predator catch and eat the herbivore? Oh my god.
I think that's a normal thing. I mean,
Normal?
yeah, that's how life
You don't
works.
have empathy.
I mean, if
you are not sad.
no, it's to keep the balance the ecosystem, right? So I think it's a normal.
Because you are not them. You say to balance.
I say that because I'm not them. Balance the ecosystem, and that's how life works. Actually, if you're not getting eaten, then you're getting eaten.
So they have to eat.
Yeah, they
To exist.
to exist.
Oh my god, kejam.
That's that's life actually.
So on your mind, what kind of wild animal on your brain?
Animals.
Just mention
I'm
it.
just thinking about it's predators or what kind of animal?
But them, even predator or not.
I think it's a rabbit because I love.
Rabbit is wild animal? Really?
Yeah, if they live in a like habit, their habitat is nature. I think that's animal.
But them. Yeah.
And I think
What about the crocodile?
I don't know. I've never seen them in real life, but I think it's a scared animal. So I don't dare to getting close with them.
Have you seen directly wild animal in front of you? Like in zoo, elephant,
I've
zebra?
never.
You never?
Yeah, I've never go to zoo.
Okay. Let us go to zoo.
Yeah, maybe next time. Yeah,
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Atifa? Okay, what is your opinion about the wild animal life on forest? Because you know, their life is, how to say, kejam? Their life is kejam. Cruel, yeah.
Okay, before we talk about wild animal life, I want to explain because I don't love about animal. Really, I don't love. So good. My friends Amira said I love kitten, right?
Amira.
Cat. But I'm very afraid with kitten, cat. I'm afraid, really.
Oh, okay.
Really?
After this, I wanna bring you cat.
No, and then when we talk, we also talk about.
Mhm.
I'm very scared.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
really. Because maybe wild animal life. Why yeah? Wild animal. I don't know.
On your birthday, we'll have to make you prank.
Really, I don't like. No, no. My sister, just my sister.
Oh.
I ever have a cat.
Mhm.
The name is Coco, but just
Coco cat.
Coco,
Uh-huh.
Coco, and I don't love because my sister put beside her for eating.
Is your cat a woman or a man?
Man? But he's so smart.
Mhm.
Really, he's so smart. When
Mhm.
he wanna eat, maybe he just talking. That kita. That, but I don't like. I don't like. Not like. Not just like, but I don't love.
Okay. Can you imagine that on forests, they are very cruel, and you know the predator ate the herbivore. How do you think about that?
Maybe I couldn't. No, I couldn't. I cannot think about animal.
Mhm.
Like yeah. What is animal? I
Oh
don't
my God.
really.
You cannot live without animal.
Yeah.
Because you eat, how to say, cow, buffalo, right?
When I
chicken, right?
when I go to zoo at Riau
Mhm.
at Pekanbaru, I ever seen
Why you didn't
elephant.
bring me when you
No.
go?
Because my friends bring me there, and yeah, I don't like. Let's go home. Because I don't like, but I ever see like lion.
Directly.
Yeah, dragon.
Really?
Really.
Okay. So
lion,
what lion say to you when you meet?
I don't know. He opened her mouth. Yeah, really. But I don't like.
What are the size when the lion opened?
Oh my god, it's so big. Yeah, I don't know.
You are scary.
I'm very
Okay,
scared
thank
when
you,
it's-
Atifa.
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
really.
Okay, Rara. Again. Okay, my next question. Which one? What is the actually solution when their habitat is lost? The wild animal, because you know, oftenly the human being open the new area. The original area of the wild animal, but the human being open the new area to how to say the plant the something like that. How do you think about that? That think.
Well, I think the one who must take action is the government. They should more take in the regulation, because we have a regulation, but actually I don't know exactly what kind of regulation is that. But I think how they punish them is like not really tight, right?
Yeah, because you know right now elephant always fight with the farmer. Yeah,
Really?
yeah, they fight. But
Where?
then imagine fight like human.
Yeah. In the area, right?
Yeah, this area, this
Oh
area.
yeah, where is that exactly?
Like in the Riau, Kalimantan,
I'm just scared.
especially in Sumatra.
Oh,
Because a lot of elephant in Sumatra.
I think the government the one who should be take action about it. I mean,
How to say, the government have to put the new regulation, a
Yeah.
special regulation about it. Yeah?
yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you. What about you? You again? What do you think about the animal? They lost their original habitat.
Yeah, it's same with Rara, right?
Mhm.
The government, and we must put the regulation,
Yeah.
because what if wild animal is like it can be all of the humans
It's
feel
dangerous.
scared. Yes,
It's dangerous.
scare first. It's like they them feel what this is animal. We live with animal. Of course not. We must take a regulation.
How it's like when we live with animal, especially for wild animal. Oh my god.
We cannot walk in one step, maybe.
Mhm.
Right?
Story about it, like in my home,
Mhm.
so there's a mountain, like not too close.
But so there's always a monkey.
Ah,
Yeah,
ah, ah.
they work just like human.
Mhm.
They take a rambutan. They climb the rambutan tree and then eat there. Yeah, they thief there, and then they just act like a human. They walk with a human like nothing's happened because their habitat.
Oh my God, it's funny.
It's really cute.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a big monkey. Yeah, it's a big monkey.
Just a big monkey and you sing it. Okay. Give your statement. We will be right back after this 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Smart viewers and listeners at home. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit Indonesia. Hi guys, how are you guys? Okay, give it applause first for our spirit. Yeah, back to our topic, wild animal life. Wow, this is my third question, right? Okay, continue. Amira from BPC. Yeah, how do you think about the wild animal lost their original habitat?
Actually, we have zoo. Of course, we have to put the zoo and we have to make them bigger. So all of the wild animal could live in there, but not all of animal could live there because we actually have pet for some of them. But actually, if you guys are TikTokers or if you use TikTok like
Are you
almost
TikToker?
today, no.
Okay.
I don't use them. So actually, there's a TikToker who rise and live with tiger. Yeah, white tiger. Yeah, right.
Celebrity.
Yeah, yes. They actually pet them.
You know well.
See? So that is the example for human that we could live with the wild animal. We can raise them too, and we could actually train them to be behave, so they won't bite us or even trying to do something that harm us. So yeah, if you guys wanted to have a safe thing from the wild animal, then you have to put them in the zoo, and you couldn't make them cause no harm because
Can you imagine that elephant tiger fight with humans, especially for farmer? How do you think about that case?
They actually have a feeling though. If you trying to take something that belongs to them, they actually would try to fight because you try to take their habitat, so they have to fight. So in this case, like the elephant and the farmer fighting each other,
like in India, like in Rio, in Africa, like that.
This because the elephant feel harmed by the human because they try to take what's belong to them. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. What about you, Noval? Yeah, do you get the point, right? The question? Okay, please.
We have to back to the definition of wild animals. Yeah. So, wild animals are those animal lived in nature rather than live with people, with human. And their habitats.
How do you say they are pribumi? We are pendatang. I
think so. And we can say their habitats, their circumstance, of course, and also what they eat. It absolutely different with farm animal. Farm animal. Yeah, and the sad story is Indonesia is known as the country that has a rich in biodiversity.
Yeah, the third.
Yeah,
the third.
But although Indonesia is also known about as the country that has a long list of endangered species.
The same time.
Yeah, at the same time.
Oh my God, it's dangerous.
Right. That's the sad story. And how the interesting thing, we have to make this a huge point that we have to protect the animals. One way to protect the animals is to report people who always hunting the rare animals, binatang langka sebenarnya.
Endemic animal.
Especially that's one.
Endemic.
I think so.
Okay, congratulations, you passed to be legislative. No kidding. No kidding. Okay, my next question. Still you. Okay, my next question: what is benefit wild animal and forest? What their benefit to our earth? What is their benefit?
Yeah. First, we have to know.
I mean, like contribution. The animal the animal how to say, the wild animal contribution to our earth. Yeah.
First, I remember what Rara mentioned before. That the wild animals will make a balanced ecosystem.
Yeah.
That's one. And
like
they,
for example,
they eat each other. It's just a normal thing. We have to know that rantai makanan.
Yeah, and the effect. What about the effect?
The effect is we can saw the animals behave like in his nature, in their habitats, of course. And yeah, that's such a great information when National Geographic Channel show us about their circumstance, of course. Yeah, for to make us for example, like education, to educate people in the city. We can see in the forest there are tigers eat hyena or something,
as a knowledge,
as a knowledge education, to make us know about it, about wild animals life. So that's why we discuss about this theme. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Nathan. Okay, you, Atifa. Yeah. What are the contribution to our earth? What animal?
The contribution for our life,
are they bring food to us?
No.
Are they give you money? Are they
This is the good before Rara said it make our ecosystem is balanced with the human. It's mean like we can live with that animal really, because sometimes we
can live with them.
We cannot live
without
without animal, because sometimes we eat animal too.
And animal also eat woman person, right?
But not we what in bahasa saling menguntungkan, but
saling memakan.
But we know, we can keep them in the zoo, because we know all the animal of human have.
Listen, don't put zoo after zoo. Don't put zoo.
Zoom.
Don't put. Kidding. Okay, continue.
What I think about. Because we know what in bahasa punya kapasitasnya masing-masing, and then we know we just alone flow animal and human
and keep harmony with them, right?
I don't know, I don't have an idea with animal.
Okay, keep your statement. I believe you have a many idea. Okay, Rara, on your perspective, what are their contribution on our earth? What animal?
They contribute a lot, like for example, symbiosis mutualism.
You are natural science, and
I'm just learning it in a senior high school or in the school before. Yeah,
that's natural science.
But I major in accounting right now.
Okay.
So, like animal with plant or animal with animal. So it like I said earlier, like we mentioned that it's balanced ecosystem. For example, like a predator, they eat their prey to control the population. So it keeps its balance. And I think it's the biggest benefit.
One of the function, like benefit, like when they exist, like mouse. You know mouse?
Yeah.
Mouse also one of wild animal. because impossible you ternakan, yeah. At home, for example, snack. For example, snack can eat the mouse because mouse is hammer for rice field. If the snake eat the mouse, it means that the population of mouse be decrease. So the benefit, of course, come from the farmer because the farmer can have rice field melimpah, something like that. If the snake eat the mouse, right? Just imagine if there is no snake. Oh my God, it's uncontrolled. A lot of animal uncontrolled to reproduction, and it's not balanced. The rantai makanan is not balanced, something like that. That's why this is like kacau, right? Yeah. Okay, Amira, how do you think about their contribution? The other sample, because just now I mentioned, I spoke about their function, their contribution. What about on your perspective? What about their contribution?
It is actually so helpful for human because we actually live with them, just like the cow, just like you mentioned before. If we didn't raise the cow, then we can't even milk them, so we can't even drink milk.
Yeah.
And also, if the chicken, if we remove them or we destroy them or something, that's mostly say destroy in words. If we actually don't have chicken in our life, then we couldn't even eat eggs. So yeah, we have to keep them alive. If we put wild animal into this point, then just like the point from our MC tonight, okay?
You not remember my name?
I remember. I suddenly remember, guys. Okay. So yeah, just like the snake and the mouse, then we have to remove them because they actually didn't give us any benefit. So the snake will eat them, and the snake is full, and then the snake will be killed by the farmer, and the farmer will take the rice. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. And the farmer be rich. Okay. My next question, we will talk about exploitation, animal exploitation. Okay, maybe Naufal. How do you think about animal exploitation? Because what, animal sometimes or often, like lion, they work as a circus crew, right? Lumba dolphin, also like a circus, right? How does it? Lion, tiger, dolphin, what else? Monkey. Sorry. Yeah, how do you think about the animal exploitation?
All right, so wild animals exploitation. Yeah. First, that we have to know, this is the important thing that we already mentioned before. We have the law. We have that law in Undang-Undang Dasar about the people prohibited to kill or to make these wild animals to exploit. Yeah, and we prohibited to export illegally, for example, like that. I think it's the people is body jerk, and I think that's insane to make the lion as in a show in a circus.
Are those animals feel stress when they works as a circus?
But when the wild animals trained by the people, by the good people, like they have
good people.
Yeah, the people have the authorities. Yeah,
we are good, but wild animal eat us. Oh my God.
So the people which has the authorities to train the wild animals, I think that's good.
And again, back to our government.
Yeah, back to our government.
Our regulation.
Yeah, our law in our country. It's to exploit the wild animals. Yeah, I think that's so.
Okay, thank you, Amira. You again. How do you think about the exploitation of animal on your perspective?
It is actually sad because I am a animal lover. Yeah, I truly do.
Maybe someday you have to make animal shelter.
Yeah, yes, I will after this. Yeah, BPEC animal shelter. That's a good idea. Okay, so I actually ever heard this from my neighbor. She's actually said that I love cat because I can make them as a decoration. So they have this cat to show the other neighbors or their friends that I have a beautiful cat. I have a cat that have a beautiful fur, just like that. So they exploit this cat as a decoration. So they don't even feed them. They don't even raise them. So if they get skinny or if they get a bad fur or ugly fur,
you know, not only that, because you know, little monkey sometimes we find on street. And how to say, the owner just like, okay, it's like your money, right? Something like that. Oh my god, so sad.
They actually just wanted to show to everyone they have something beautiful, and if they get bad, they skinny, they're healthier, their health getting bad, they will toss them out, and then they don't even care about that anymore.
So now we talk about animal rights.
Yes.
Not only human rights, bukan lagi hak asasi manusia, tapi hak asasi hewan.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Amira. Okay, what about you, Rara? How do you think about the exploitation in your different perspective, maybe?
Well, even though I'm not an animal lover, but I'm not really animal lovers, but still I feel sad when I saw news when the animal gets exploited.
Give example when you say it.
Like orangutan get killed, right? Orangutan get killed like
say orangutan monkey and you see me. Oh my god.
Okay, I want to see you. I will see you in front of camera. So it's kind of I was thinking like how human don't have like how to nurani to kill them brutally like that. Like I mean, they're same like us. They are a living creature. They're feeling pain, even though they cannot say, "Oh, it's sick," but still they feel hard, right? So as a human,
how if they can speak? Oh my god.
Wow, I think I cannot even imagine. Like what if
they send message to United Nations. Oh my god, make me free.
Maybe they
can speak. Oh my god.
Yeah, I actually imagine that. Like, what if animals can say maybe they will.
You know, this is a very funny. 2 weeks ago we talking about the material on universe, because you know we talk about a metaphysic dimension. Everything the material on universe actually have a soul. And just imagine how if they can speak. All of this orang is very cold. This is a kind of can speak. All of the, oh my god, it's
it will be so loud.
Okay, continue.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Latifa? On your perspective.
My perspective is, even though we can live with animal and we can make the animal our friends, like kitten, like cat, but we must put them like ini in bahasa sesuka dia mau hidup di mana. Itu kan.
Animal right.
Yeah. Because we know, even though the animal we don't talk to us, but their reaction like crying,
sad, crying,
stress, from that tear maybe, and we can know that.
You can feel it.
I know, it's like I'm really we see cow. That's the mean. Yeah, it's mean like the animal, the human, even though we can keep the animal with the human. But
you know, there is how to say animation on internet, but the creator changed our position.
Wow.
You know, I mean, just imagine human like an animal like a human. the position is totally different. Like human broadcast like this. Animal broadcast like this. Animal shopping to the mall.
I know the movie.
And the human.
Pia, right?
Yeah,
Like
and the human being like animal. There is a human carnivore, herbivore. Just imagine when our friends eat us. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
You can imagine. You can imagine,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, that is a genius,
Yes.
but very strange.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
animation.
like Zootopia movie.
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
can be Sam, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I just love that. Even except that I don't love an animal.
Okay. After this, guys, just prepare your conclusion, your vocabularies, your idiom, your wise word, your final statement about our topic for this evening. Yeah. Okay. Prepare as fast possible, secepat mungkin. Okay. Maybe from you, you have a conclusion about our topic for this evening.
Okay, for conclusion about wild animal life, we can keep them as sesuai undang-undang in bahasa, and then just keep it alone. If you wanna keep if you wanna keep the animal with you, like you wanna keep the human, you can wanna keep kitten, maybe cat, just keep it by good. Because the animal has their life again.
Oh, animal right. Okay, thank you, Latifa.
Yes.
Please prepare your vocabulary after this. Okay, your final story, vocabulary, your item, and etc. Okay, wise word. Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion?
So for the conclusion in our discussion today, tonight, I think we should know that animal is a living creature, the same like us. So we need to treat them like a human. I mean, don't torture them. Don't bothering them if they're not bothering you. So I think that's all.
Okay, prepare yourself. Yeah. Okay, what about you, Amira? What about your conclusion about our topic this evening?
No, it's all about love, guys. So if the wild animal give you love, just like dog, cat that you get from the road, then please love them as the way they love you, guys. So just give them something that they give you, and then you have to pay them back, just with love or something that could make them happy. So yeah, you just have to be good with them, so they will be the same as you give them. The reaction and also the thing that you do to them.
Okay, thank you, Amira. Prepare yourself. Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion?
All right. So my conclusion about this topic for tonight.
Yeah.
Wild animals are dangerous for us as a human, and also human are always killing the wild animals. Yeah, that is the balance of the ecosystem. But if we want to know about the wild animals, we have to keep them in a zoological garden. Yeah, you have to keep them in there. And if you love something like cat or dog, you have to love the animal.
And also conservation animal.
Yeah. We have to save our ecosystem. We have to love our environment. We have to realize that we live with the animals.
Okay, thank you. Now, prepare yourself about our vocabularies, idioms, wise words, final words. Okay, what about you? Do you have some vocabularies about our topic for this evening? Wildlife animal? Vocabularies.
Vocabularies.
Yes,
of
up to
animal.
you. Up to you. Just mention and translate to Indonesia.
Okay, from the first, because we talk about animal, and I want to say animal is hewan, and wild and wild is liar. Ya, liar, and wild is kehidupan. Nah, it's mean like zoo, the place for animal. Zoo is kebun binatang. Okay, lion. Lion is singa, and etc. Maybe my partner can explain.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Do you have a collection, vocabularies about our topic for this evening?
Okay.
Just mention.
Maybe
and translate.
I will just share a habitat of wild
that?
animals like forest, hutan, and then mountain, gunung, desert, padang pasir, and then wetlands, rawa-rawa.
Oh, sorry.
Wetlands.
How do we spell?
WETLANDS.
Okay.
It's yeah, rawa-rawa. yeah. Actually, I learned about this vocabulary last night when I animal habitat. Yeah.
Any else?
I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Rara. What about you, Amira? Do you have a special vocabulary for our topic for this evening?
I actually have one idiom
Okay, an idiom.
has to do something with animal. So it's fox. You know fox, right? It's orange and has a white strip. So if you say to someone you are such a fox, you doesn't say to them that they are orange or something, but they are licik. Yeah, so you're such a fox. Kamu licik banget
Like
gitu.
Indora, right? Fox. Oh, tidak. So, you know.
Viper. Is a
Fox.
banget Inggrisnya.
Kalau mencuri. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, that's it, Kak.
Okay. What about you? Do you have a special vocabulary?
Yeah, I have one vocabulary that I mentioned before. Biodiversity,
Yeah.
keanekaragaman. Yeah,
Hayati.
hayati. Yeah, I
What
think.
about keanekaragaman Zainuddin? Saya kidding. Keanekaragaman Hayati, keanekaragaman Zainuddin.
Hayati and Zainuddin.
Pandemic.
And yeah, I think we have to save our flora and fauna because Indonesia is the big country that has a rich of biodiversity and
Flora
and
is
fauna.
tumbuhan.
Yeah,
Fauna is
animals.
animal.
Yeah.
Hewan,
Yeah,
not
hewan.
animal.
Hewan.
Because you have to
Hewan.
translate to Indonesia, guys.
Kasarnya binatang.
Okay, thank you, Nova from. Sorry, Ikunsa. Thank you, Mira from BBC. Thank you, Rara from Max. Thank you, Tifa from Ambrose. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for smart viewers and listeners at home. Thank you for everything because you have watched our program 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia, of course, with English discussions, smart up your life with English communities. That's all our conversation from our friends. Then forget to always watching our program every Tuesday at 7 p.m. in 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. See you next week. Bye bye.